Hi, this is Tim Brandon with Byrd Appliance. Today we're looking at a Frigidaire Affinity front-load washer, and what code was coming up was a E6E or an EbE error code. What that error code generally tells you is that the control panel has a problem. So we went ahead and looked into the control panel, and what we found was a big burn mark right here, which corresponds to, we'll just bring the camera forward, this large relay here. And generally, if you see this error, this is somewhat repairable. What's happened is the solder link here has become deteriorated just over time. Generally, this repair you can make with a soldering gun or some type of soldering tool. And what we're going to do is just refill the solder in there and see if we can get this machine up and running again. Alright, so this is the repair we did. You can actually see a little bit of the solder there. Not the cleanest repair, but it is a good connection, and we're going to go ahead and try to see if this works. Alright, you can see we got everything wired back in. Make sure you get your wires back in the right place. And here comes the moment of truth. Try it normal. Now before we had the E6E, which means nothing was really communicating. Let's see what happens. Got a working machine again. So what you want to remember from this is if you see a burn mark on the back, check the other side of the board, look for the little black rectangle box. If there's a disconnect there, usually some of the solder will pop off. That is a repair you can do yourself if you're receiving communication errors. If you can visually see it, that's a repair worth doing. Some of the other repairs on boards are not always the same, and they're a little bit more difficult. Anyway, thanks for watching. Again, this is Tim Brandon, Byrd Appliance.